Want to change the lock screen pin on your Samsung phone because someone else knows your old code? It's important to update it to keep your phone secure and protect your privacy. No worries, in this video, I'll show you how to easily change your lock screen pin. Let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on lock screen. Next, tap on screen lock type. Enter your current PIN code. After that, tap on PIN. Set your new PIN code number. Then tap on next from the keyboard. If you set an easy PIN, it will suggest you to set a difficult PIN. Or if you want to use the simple PIN, then tap use anyway. But I recommend to set a difficult PIN for your phone's top security. Then, again tap next from the keyboard. Enter this PIN again to confirm it, and tap next once again. And that's it. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay happy.